So you have nothing with your name on it inside your purse?
I have my card, yes.
Okay, can you take it out for me? Is this gonna be the card that is registered in the system?
Yes, that's the only card that I have.
I want you to be completely honest. So there's about 400 cameras throughout this mall, okay? And when you present a card, when you try to make a transaction, it is law. And is this your name that is on here?
Yes, that is my name.
Did you go into Nordstrom today?
No, I didn't.
You never went into Nordstrom today?
I walked through there, yeah.
Did you try to make a purchase or did you make a purchase in merch? So any of the cards inside of your bag right now, do you mind if I look?
No, why do you have to look in my bag? What am I being arrested? Am I being held? Like, what's the problem? And can I have my card back?
Yes, you can have your card back. 1 second.
We respect your time, so we remove the small talk. Subscribe to Crime Scrutiny for fast, no-nonsense body cam.
I don't feel comfortable with you taking my card information.
To be honest, I don't care what you feel comfortable of.
What is going on? I don't understand.
Because listen, someone's card was stolen. The person who the card belongs to gets notification from Nordstrom that a purchase was made for $1,000. The person, she gets another notification that someone is using her card at Louis Vuitton for about $3,000 for a bag. Unfortunately, they identified you as being the person who used that card. She was in there by herself, and at some point she exited, and then she returns with you.
When was she supposedly there?
The exact time, I don't know the exact.
So,
but again, that kind of
where she is.
Well, how do they know that?
So they don't notice whether or not there's a conflict.
Well, there is no conflict because it matches exactly what they were saying. You are not involved in this whatsoever. My issue is with her. So right now you're being detained, all right, for an investigation, okay? You're not free to leave. So you saw the video.
Yes.
And you saw her insert the card.
For the item.
Can I view the video?
Honestly, I don't know, so come on.
Yeah, okay.
It's a gray area. This is her.
Yep, same tattoo, everything.
So this is the same bag that they just bought, and she leaves immediately as soon as it declines, which is not normal, because usually people are like, oh, I bet I got a text from my bank or something, right?
Right.
Immediately she was like, no, I gotta go.
All righty, ma'am. We're gonna go out to my police car, okay? Because you're under arrest right now. So go out. Otherwise, I'm asking you to listen.
Don't I have the right to know?
All right, turn around, because I tried to do this.
Why do you have to be so mad? I'm not resisting. Why are you hurting my arm so bad, though? For what, though?
Turn around, put your hand behind your back. I tried to be nice and just have you walk outside on your own, so that way you don't have to look crazy with handcuffs on. But since you want to do this,
but I'm not resisting. Why are you?
Nobody said you were resisting.
But why are you being so mean? I'm just trying to find out what's going on. Where's the proof that I did this?
I just watched the video.
And it showed her card?
Yep.
How can you see that check? I don't have her card.
You probably don't have it anymore. Oh, Lord.
I never had it. Like, why do you have to do all this?
All right, let's walk.
I didn't do anything. Am I going to jail?
Probably so.
For what?
That's what happens when you steal, you go to jail.
I didn't, though.
Okay. If you still want to stick with that story, okay. Yep. So here's the case number, okay? That way you give to your bank. She did find it in the parking lot. She said once it didn't work, at Louis Vuitton, she threw it down on the ground somewhere. So just make sure it's locked. Right now you're being detained for felony investigation, which means it's prison time.
Can I just get a ticket and go to court?
No, you don't get tickets for felony stuff, ma'am.
Why is this a felony, though?
Because one, you used a stolen credit card. You used it a couple times. And then you actually made a purchase, which is another felony charge. All right, you want to call?
What the fuck?
Babe, I'm sorry. You're on speaker right now. I'm really sorry.
I'm not your call.
What?
I'm not your one phone call.
What do you mean, babe? You can't record me?
No.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
What about everything?
I don't tell you, man. It's fucked up. I mean, you're running around stealing shit with credit cards.
I didn't mean to. I just found it and it was a stupid decision.
I don't know how I can help you.
You can't help me bail me out tomorrow?
No. Call your dad. You gotta deal with it.
Valerie was arrested on charges including grand theft and fraudulent use of credit card over $100. However, the final case outcome is not confirmed in the available document.